how to create art in Excel. So something fun that you can do in Excel is that you can, of course, take any cell that you see and give it a filling, right? So now I have a blue cell, and if I put a couple of these together, I can make kind of a pixelated image if I wanted to. But there's another way you can go about doing it that some people enjoy even more, and that is applying shaders to the cell to make it look even prettier. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and try and make a sunset, okay, out of just basically just cells, okay? So we'll start at 5 and we'll go up to 1 here. We'll start at the bottom. So what you're going to want to do is from the cell, right click on it, and then go ahead and click on Format Cells. After you've done that, you'll start on the Number tab, but make sure you go over to the Fill tab, okay? And then from there, there's a little option down here that says Fill Effects. So after you've clicked on this, you notice that there are a couple options. You have one color, two colors, or a preset. I prefer to use the 2-color one, and then you have variants here. So what we're going to do is, of course, is the sunset option. So what we want is this variant of horizontal. Okay, so we're going to click on this one. You can also change different shading styles. So if I clicked on vertical, we'll match that. But we're going to click on horizontal. So I'll click this one. Okay. I want my bottom color to be green for grass, and I want my next color to be an orange-ish, I guess, and then we'll go from there, okay? So I'll go ahead and click on OK, OK, and we'll notice that's like that now, okay? Now I'll go over to this cell, click on Format Cells again, Fill Effects, do the same thing as before, but this time I want the bottom color to be that orangish, and I want the next color to be kind of more of a reddish kind of color, okay? So something like that, okay? Click on that. We'll notice that it's gone from the green. We'll fill this one here real quick. We'll put green in here, for grass, but that's kind of faded. So we'll go in here and we'll format this one as well. Okay, we'll go back to Fill Effects. Bottom color, we'll make that green again. And we'll make it green as well. Okay, so now we got kind of a good blend going there. And we'll go back up here again, format this cell. Okay, horizontal again. Get the bottom color to be that red, and we'll do the next one kind of be that purplish color. Okay, and there we go. It's starting to look pretty good. We'll go back to Format Cells one more time. Fill Effects. Okay, same as before. Go ahead and click on this purple. And this time we'll do just like a dark blue, so we're kind of getting like into the sunset kind of thing. So it's getting nighttime. And then if we want, we can always do one more. But I feel like this is pretty good right now. It's a pretty good example. So you can imagine that there's a sunset here somewhere. And you notice that the sky is changing colors before it gets to the dark blue in the sky. So that's how you go about creating art within Microsoft Excel.